Today I received my Ikea shipment of a Malm dresser. Actually, I ordered 2 of them, so it came in 6 boxes. All right, after I unboxed the first box, it appears that it's the drawers. The instructions look like it's the set of drawers. Well, I'm very happy with the outcome of these dressers. I bought 3 of them. And actually, I bought this, the thinner one over here. But it's been a huge improvement to my bedroom. Even put a TV in there too. So it was like the total room makeover compared to what I used to have. For whatever reason, my camera's lens is so close that it can't really fully show you how nice it is. But let's see how nice the drawers pull out real cool. So some socks. If you want to see my underwear, yeah, I got the Matrix. But got the Xbox on top, but the drawers move real smooth, and they lined up perfect. Like, I'm not the best carpenter, or whatever you want to call it. I'm not that good at putting stuff together, but the way the holes for the screws were made it so that you really couldn't botch this up. So everything lined up perfectly. I was concerned that I was going to have some stupid looking furniture that I just didn't line up correctly when I did the screws and put in the drawers. Because that's important. It's the thing you don't think about is how well do these drawers open up and align, and everything is pretty much aligning correctly. I'm very happy with the money I spent. These were like, I think like $200 each. Maybe it was $300. I can't remember. Yeah, I think they were about, you know, with tax and everything. So that's $600 there. And then for whatever reason, this was actually, I think this was $200 as well. So about $800 in furniture, Ikea. These are thinner. This also has, let me see if I can pull this up. It's got a mirror. This is my wife's, by the way, so don't think I'm doing all that. But it's got a nice vanity, and she's happy with it. This is an improvement over what we had in the corner. So the only thing I got to fix is this old-fashioned cabinet I have here. But sometimes you need shelves, right? So I have this for shelves. And actually, this is kind of grown on me, so we may just keep it like that. This, though, such an improvement. And to be able to watch TV and have everything. The top, we need to kind of tidy that up. But this IKEA furniture is pretty good. People, when they see it, they like it. They like the white. A lot of people want to, I guess, do this now for their house. I also like how this is like. I don't know how this is going to look in a few years, though. You know, white, I don't know how well that goes over time. And your hand has oils on it. I don't know if that's going to mess up this. For instance, like, look at my door. It's a white door. But over the course of 10 years, there's like these, like, skin, right? So the door is white. And let's see if we back up. So over time, just the natural oils on your skin create that. But you got to paint stuff every now and then. I don't think I'll ever paint this. But anyway, this is the Ikea Malm dresser, 6-drawer dresser, chest. It's called a 6-drawer chest. Chest? Yeah, chest. Anyway, have a good one. Thanks for watching.